Welcome to qnawire.
Hello. In the question we have given that a friend of yours has joined an orienting club. So one of her Saturday adventure, she walked 500 paces at 35-degree angle. So let us call S1 as equals to 500 paces at 30-degree angle south of east. Further, followed by it 750 paces. So it is 750 paces at an angle of 70 degrees north of west, and 600 paces at 15 degrees south of west. So if we represent these three vectors graphically, so this vectors will look somewhat like this. So over here the first one is S1. So S1 will be like this. So this is S1 at an angle of 35 degree. Then S2 is at 70 degree. So somewhere over here like this. Sorry. So this angle out here is 70. This is S2. This is north. This is east. This is south. Sorry, west. And this is south. And this one, this fellow is S3 and at an angle of 15 degrees. So if we resolve these vectors, so one by one, if we resolve and write, so we will get S1 as equals to S1 vector will be equal to S1 cosine of 35 I cap plus, sorry, it will be pointing in the negative, so it will be minus S1 sine of 35 j cap. So if we plug the value of S1, which is 500, so this will be 500 cos 35 I cap minus 500 sine 35 j cap. So S1 vector from here turns out to be 409.576 I cap minus 286.78 j cap. Then similarly we will find out S2. So S2 vector, if we note, so S2 is over here, so it is pointing towards the negative x and positive y, so it will be minus S2 cosine of 70 I cap plus S2 sine of 70 j cap. So minus S2, S2 is 750, so this is 750 cosine of 70 I cap plus 750 sine of 70 j cap. So from here we get minus 256.51 I cap plus 704.76 j cap. So this is S2 vector, and similarly we will find out S3 vector. So S3 will be equal to, now both of them are pointing in negative, so it will be minus S3 cosine of 15 I cap minus S3 sine of 15 j cap. So if we calculate this, so S3 is 600, so I'm directly writing over here, so this is minus 579 0.48 I cap minus 262, sorry, 579.4, this is 55 I cap minus 155.29 J cap. So we get S1. So the total S vector will be S1 vector plus S2 vector plus S3 vector. Now we will add them. So only the I component and the J component. So I am doing it directly over here. So the I component will be 409.576. So from every S1 I am taking ith component and adding them. So it will be 409.576 minus 256.51 minus 579.55 I cap plus. Again, just taking the J components from S1, S2 and S3 and adding them. So this will be 704.76 minus 286.78 minus 155.29 J cap. And if we calculate this, we will get this vector S as equals to, so we get this vector that is minus 426.48 I cap plus 262.69 J cap. Now if we take the magnitude, so it will be the x component square plus the y component square, and if we solve, we get it, we will get it as 500.89. So that is 500 paces will be the displacement. Then angle, so theta will be equal to, so angle will be theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. So y component is 262 and the x component is 426. If we calculate this, we get the theta as equal to 31 degrees. I hope you find the solution useful. Thank you.